Hello everyone, welcome to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Snapchat username, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open your Snapchat app and tap your profile on the top left corner of your screen. Now tap Settings on the top right corner. And as you can see, when you tap Username, you can only share it and not edit. So we scroll down and under Support, tap I need help. Now you will be taken to Snapchat support. Here, type in username in the search bar. And tap username. Now you can see that Snapchat does not allow the change of usernames due to security reasons. But Snapchat has also provided a solution for it. So scroll down and under Making a New Account and Username, Snapchat has stated that you need to first delete your existing account and make a new account with a different username. But don't worry, when creating the new account, you will be able to use the same phone number and email as your current account. So, to delete your Snapchat account, click on the link Delete your current Snapchat account. And tap Accounts Portal under How to delete your Snapchat account. Type in your password and tap Continue. Your account will be deactivated but not deleted. But you can still make your new account as soon as it gets deactivated. To get a detailed tutorial on how to delete your Snapchat account and sign up for a new one, check out our channel for the how-to videos. And that's how you change your username on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.